Here's a comprehensive guide on how to begin block printing for handcrafted textile designs. Introduction to block printing. Block printing is an ancient technique used for printing patterns on textiles. It involves carving a design into a block, applying ink or dye, and then stamping the block onto the fabric. Materials needed for block printing. The primary materials needed for block printing are carving block, carving tools, fabric ink or dye, a brayer, and fabric. The carving block can be made of wood, linoleum, or rubber. Designing your block. The first step in block printing is to create your design. This can be done by drawing directly onto the block or by transferring a printed design. Remember that the design will print in reverse. Carving the block. Once your design is finalized, you can begin carving. Use your carving tools to carefully cut away the areas of the block that you do not want to print. Applying ink to the block. After the block is carved, ink or dye is applied using a brayer. It's important to apply a thin, even layer of ink to ensure a clean print. Printing on fabric. Once the block is inked, it's time to print. Position the block on the fabric and apply firm, even pressure. Carefully lift the block to reveal your print. Repeating the design. For a repeating pattern, re-ink the block and align it with the previous print. This process is repeated until the entire piece of fabric is covered. Caring for your printed fabric. After printing, the fabric should be allowed to dry completely. Some inks or dyes may require heat setting or washing to make them permanent. Conclusion. Block printing is a versatile and accessible technique for creating handcrafted textile designs. With a bit of practice, you can create beautiful, custom fabrics.